Today I have with me a new product from GM. The model number is 3261 Cuba 4+1 power strip with master switch and indicator, and this is how it looks. It's covered in a plastic box, and some of the main features are also listed on top of the product as well. And this is the packaging. It looks the one that I bought is of white color, and let's see what's inside the box right now. The packaging is really simple. You only have a laminated plastic coating, and all the functions are also listed at the back of the product. And as you can see, some of the technical specifications, the power rating is up to 2500 watt maximum power capacity, and that's it. Now let's just get inside the box and see how the product looks. And there is nothing more to it. It looks like really strong and sturdy product with 3 international sockets and 3 USB ports. Never exceed the total maximum load of 10 ampere. Never use if the plug, lead or sockets are damaged. Never use the power strip spike guard without uncoiling the cable completely. And the USB input and USB output are also mentioned at the back of this product. And that's it at the back side, and hope you can see it clearly. And now let's get into the wire quality. And the wire quality is really good. The cable feels really strong and sturdy, and it's not like a 3-pin plug. And the length of the cable is around 1.8 meter. It's made of copper wire, and as you can see, we have 3 USB and 3 international socket with a switch to turn on and off. There is no separate for individual switches are provided, only one master switch that will turn everything all at once. Now to see the different output that each USB is giving, I am running a test with the Ampere mobile app. You can also test to see the output that are getting from the different USB ports on this product. And see, there are 3 USB ports, and the total maximum output you can get is like 2.4 ampere. And the first USB gives 2.4 ampere, and the second USB output is 2.1 ampere, and the third one gives 1 ampere output. And that's how it's written in the product manual. Finally, I also want to show the actual voltage output that you will get when you charge it with your default charger. It's much better, obviously, so you can always use it as a backup charger, or if you have too many things to charge with USB. This is really helpful. And finally, this comes with 1-year warranty. So after taking this video, just after 1 week, the USB stopped working, and the GM support staff replaced me with a new product. So the brand is always of high quality. So if you like to buy this product, I will include a link in the description below. Please do check that out. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe for more future videos. And thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys. We'll come with a new product soon.